Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Let me tell you that these next 2 or 3 minutes are going to worth watching for you. So without wasting any time, let me tell you that how this matter came in light. Gentlemen, this matter came in light when two cadets of OTA who got recommended by NCC Special Entry 47 and SSC Tech 53, and these both entries came in January 2019. Those both candidates got recommended by these two entries and get into the academy in 2020. So the very first thing is that this scam is not fresh. This scam came in light when these both candidates collapsed during a cross country run in OTA Chennai. When they were admitted to the hospital authorities found something shocking about those candidates. That shocking thing was that both of those candidates were unfit on the medical grounds to joining the academy, but they were doing training in the academy. So here the question raised that how they get into the academy even after being unfit for joining it. So they informed the higher authorities. The higher authorities took action and inquired from the hospital where they went for their medicals after their SSP. They got a shocking reply again. The hospital where they went for medicals said that they were declared unfit on the medical grounds when they came for their medicals. So here authorities get alerted that how can a candidate join academy even after declaring unfit for joining it. And along with it, Brigadier VK Proy sir, who is in vigilance branch of Indian Army, was getting regular complaints from 27th February of this year about malpractice and scam in the selection process at Service Selection Center North. So, as per the action or protocol, military intelligence launched a proactive operation against this scam, and they found some serious irregularities in the selection process at Selection Center Kapurthala. So, as per the CBI reports and as per an article which was published in the Hindu yesterday, uh, Naib Subedar Kuldeep Singh is the accused who forged fake sign of hospital authorities to produce a fake fit certificate for those candidates who got collapsed in the OT. Along with it, Lieutenant Colonel MVSN Bhagwan is is being main accused as per the CBI reports for being the mastermind of this racket. He is on study leave right now. Secondly, I don't want to mention their names, but a major rank and a respectively lieutenant colonel rank officer who they both are GTO at Kapurthala Center are also under allegations of taking bribe in cash and check to select candidates. So these are the basic details of this scam, and I would like to say that till now, as per the reports, we found that the scam is in the medical process, not in the selection process. So we don't need to get disheartened by this news. Remember that there is no fixed number for recommendations and screening. If the whole group is deserving, they select the whole group, and if not, then nobody gets selected. Remember that you get recommended only when you are fit for getting recommended. So don't make excuses and don't lose your faith in the selection process. I know that going for SSB 10 or 12 times is not a small thing. It takes a lot from a candidate. So I would like to give you all well wishes from my side for your upcoming SSBs. Keep working and achieve what you dreamed for